Why should I use BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers?
When shopping for wheel spacers, hub-centric sets are the priority. A hub-centric spacers come with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit your vehicle hub. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The multi-layer design provides the bevels to fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition. The wheel track matches more closely to the front, which improves the appearance significantly. The lightweight class of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the halo design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. They are made of high-grade aluminum alloy 6061T6 or 7075T6, formed by withstanding continuous strong pressure. That improves the strength of the wheel spacers. This metal features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.